dream I know deep up my feelings for you. Watch.
EFCC reportedly barricaded Kogi ex-governor Yawa Bellos' house in Abuja amid the 84 billion naira fraud case. Moving on, we have the Federal High Court in Abuja on Wednesday fixed May 20 to rule on the application seeking to transfer the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu. Alright, my wonderful people, thank you so much for joining this channel as we bring you back-to-back updates and information as they hot. In case it's your first time of joining this wonderful channel, kindly like, comment, share. Don't forget to turn notification bell in case whenever our news drop, that you could be the first to watch them. Now on the news, the operative of the Economic and Financial Crime Commission, the Efcc, has reportedly barricaded the house of the immediate past governor of Kogi State, Yawa Bello, in Wuse, Abuja. The EFCC siege is coming days after the former governor held a meeting with President Bola Ahmed Tinubu at the State House. So on Wednesday, a top source shared the photograph showing how operative of the EFCC barricaded the access road to the Bellos' house. According to the source, they said EFCC barricaded Bellos' house in Abuja. No movement in the area as EFCC barricaded the house, so they are yet to gain access. Although there was no immediate information available to the reason why the anti-graft agents stormed the former governor's residence, it may be connected with the 84 billion fraud case against him, which the EFCC is prosecuting. The EFCC had charged the former governor with financial fraud to the tune of 84 billion. So the Anti-Graft Commission, in an amended charge, accused Bello of diverting 80 billion of state funds in September 2015, 4 months before he assumed office. My people don't be sporty. He don't reach politician turn. Make we see whether he go prison. If I ever never supported EFCC, I'm supporting them fully on this one. This is one of the worst governor Nigeria and Kogi State has ever had. Kogi people complained a lot during his regime. If you are passing Kogi for those staying in Abuja or close to Kogi, you will understand what they are saying. Bad roads everywhere, no good infrastructure, nothing at all. And they said that he is the youth leader. Meanwhile, he could not do anything meaningful in the states. So what happened with the 84 billion naira he took? Not even a good infrastructure, not even a good road. So what then did he use the money for? Not this politician. Now one after the other they catch them. So the magistrate said that they should go after all these criminals in government. They don't too many. They want just finish Nigeria money. Yet you go say we no get money. Meanwhile, all these top politicians sit down on top of the money. They say Nigeria no be fruitful land. My people, this Nigeria fruitful die. One of these top politicians no allow us see the fruitfulness. Everything just they happen for this country. The masses are happy that they want to arrest him, and they are saying that they should arrest him and convict him because he stole the government money. He stole the state's money and turned himself to godfather. And the worst part of it is say Yawa Bello no get human sympathy at all. He showed Kogi people shaggy and he kept claiming he is untouchable. Hey, now this governor was passed for Nigeria. Together with Ikbazu, they said they are the worst governor to rule their state. No innovative ideas, no tangible work to show, not even pit toilets. Just one individual to 84 billion naira. Omo, these men no dey fear God at all. Not even their conscience. Hey, they hold them accountable, honestly. If like say President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, they give EFCC free hand now for them to do their job. Just like what Obasanjo did. Everybody just they collect this period though. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu is showing his work. How will the country get better when one man is looting this much? 84 billion naira. All the sovereign hands on deck need to be changed. The corruption list is just too long and they will wine and dine together. I made the cocoa. How can a governor spend 8 years in office and leave the state the same way he met it? How? The persons they talk say 84 billion, that they are joking. Oh, that is not even up to 2% of what he stole, which means he collect pass like that. So guys, I go like make I know what I think about this matter in the comment section. I go like hear from Ona. Moving on to the next one. The Federal High Court in Abuja on Wednesday fixed May 20 to rule the application seeking to transfer the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu. Justice Binta Onyako adjourned the ruling after listening to arguments on the application. Counsel for the defendant, Aloy Ejimako, had during the proceeding moved the application to prepare him for trial. He said that his continued detention in the Department of State Services custody would mitigate the accelerated hearing order by the court. Aloy Ejimako told the court that they are seeking the transfer of the defendant from the DSS detention to a house arrest or other similar places of custody or similar law enforcement agency custody. That it is important to do so, that the application did not arrive in a vacuum. they have made it orally and they were directed to put it into writing. So they are offering solution to assist in accelerating hearing order by the court. That it is not strange to have a defendant detained in a house arrest. Sambo Dasuki and El Zaki has enjoyed this in the past. So the counsel for the prosecution, Adeboyega, urged the court to dismiss the application. My people don't be small, but honestly, they don't hold this man. When the cookman turned onto house arrest, seems the DSS no one grant them that assets for them to see their clients. The IPOB leader is being charged with treason felony in terrorism, and he has been detained in DSS custody since 2021. He had applied to be granted bail based on health grant and to enable him to prepare for trial, but his application was rejected by the Justice Binta Nyako of the Federal High Court in Abuja. I'm on a strong guard, this man, because I didn't see any reason why they refused to let him go based on health issue. Yes, Justice Binta Nyako insisted promised to grant an accelerated hearing in the matter. Kanu's trial is expected to commence on April 17, 2024, but Nnamdi Kanu legal team led by Aloy Ejimako has been addressing journalists on the difficulty they have been facing preparing the IPOB leader for trial. On April 9, 2024, during a press conference in Abuja, Ejimako accused the DSS of denying them access to Nnamdi Kanu. Ejimako accused the service of constantly seizing every legal document they took to the DSS facility to prepare Nnamdi Kanu for trial. At another press conference in Abuja on Wednesday, Ejimako said that they would pull out of the court trial should the DSS continue to frustrate their effort to prepare Nnamdi Kanu for his trial being today. They don't tire, honestly, because the action of the DSS denying the IPOB leader his right to a fair trial is not good at all. Ejimako made it plain to them that the legal team will not be part of such a process. They're not going to be part of the travesty of justice if Nnamdi Kanu is not going to get a fair trial. So they're not going to be part of modern justice in Nigeria court. It doesn't mean that they are going to abandon Nnamdi Kanu, but they will, as a group, abandon the process the DSS want to take. They will refuse to be participants in a process that is geared to and pre-programmed injustice on the head of Nnamdi Kanu. Let that be clear to them. It doesn't sound like they are going to boycott Nnamdi Kanu. No, rather they are boycotting the judiciary, and what they are boycotting is manifest injustice. Effort to get the DSS spokesperson Peter Fanya will prove abortive. He didn't even respond to the messages they dropped for him requesting his reaction to the allegation leveled against DSS at the time of the filing of that report. So guys, I would like to know your thoughts towards this issue. Let's know if the courts will actually grant him bail for house arrest, because they don't hold that man. Make that man no go buy for that prison. So guys, I go like make I know what to now think about this issue. Let's keep the conversation live in our comments section. Once again, thank you so much for staying tuned with us. On this note, we have come to the end of today's segment. Till I come your way next. Stay safe, guys. Bye.